Hey you guys, it's Agatha here. Today we're going to go over a pretty cool tutorial, and it's mainly to save you time. And what it is how to make these welcome screens along with photo strips, 2x6 or 4x6 using ChatGPT. So let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to show you what my process is. So let's see here. I hope you guys can see my screen. Let's do something like that. Put myself right there in the corner or something. Give me one sec. Just want to make sure you guys are able to see. Okay, cool. So I think this looks good. I'm going to minimize that. All right, so here we go. So we're at chatgpt.com. You guys can use this on your computers, tablets, phones, whatever it is, download it. You could pay for the feature. I think it's like 20 bucks a month, or you can use the free version. So this is what I asked the client is like, I reach out after I book with them and I'm like, hey, can you send me the invitation so that way I can use that as a reference to design the photo strip. And the things that I look for are backgrounds, the text, the um, like the whole style and everything. And then I would spend like 15, 20 minutes making it, sending it, waiting for approval. And it was like just a whole process. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get that invitation. So we'll go to downloads and I just want to show you what the invitation will look like. I actually blurred out some of the information just for privacy reasons. And right here, we're going to type in please, oh, you don't even have to put please. You can even just do like create a photo strip design. Maybe let's do like a 2x6 vertical design, photo strip design using this design content. All right. And then do not add any text. All right, so let's see what it creates. Usually it'll be consistent. It'll have, like that. The invitation has a white background. It has a little crown. It has the girl on the side. The roses. Those are the design concepts that we would hope that ChatGPT will um, incorporate. Hoping. So let's see what it gets, and then I'm gonna show you how I go about like editing it and all of that. So you see there it is. I'm gonna click on it. I think it looks fantastic. This is exactly what I needed. And the only thing for me is if I do 4 photos and I add the fourth photo here, it will cover the girl's head, right? So I would have to make these little areas transparent. So let's do under why isn't this working? Oh, there it goes. Okay. My button was stuck. All right. So create frames. Let's but create frames, transparent frames. So I can add a photo underneath in the photo booth software. You can do something like that. That way, just like kind of understands. Um, and then it will create that. But I think for the first try, this was pretty good. And you could even edit, you could even come up here And see, it even gives you like, oh, thin the photo booth frame slightly, convert it into a landscape, which later on that that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna copy that, and then we're gonna do that once we finalize the design. And the reason why I don't add text is usually it'll add the entire text from the entire invitation, and that's why I do it this way. So it's just one less step. It looks cleaner. And then if you want to add in the text in like the photo booth app, you're able to do that too, or in Canva, you can do that too. But this is my process. This should almost be done. And then we're gonna add the name. So let's see, what's the girl's name? Guadalupe's 15 años. We'll put something like that. So we'll wait till this is done, and that'll be the next thing we do. I like this just because I'm able to do like multiple things. Like I'll do that while I'm doing something else and let this work while I'm working on something else. So let's see, this should almost be done. Okay, one last tweak. So right after this, we're going to add the text, convert it to a 4x6, and then we're also going to make it a welcome screen. So 2x6, 4x6, and welcome screen. And then another thing that I like to do too is create a little like a custom screen as well. So it'll be like instruction, like take a picture, strike a pose. Oops. So this is it. Let's see here. So you could see here, it just gave us that little crop out. So what I would normally do is I'll have this girl maybe move more to the left, and you could tell it, move it more to the left. So that way at least we can add a photo there. Or what we can do is we can do like eliminate, we could do remove photo 4 from bottom and replace with the girl's name, Guadalupe's 15 años. All right, there we go. All right, and then while that's making, that's going to be the next one. We're going to convert it. But assuming that this is already complete, right? So I would click on here, and if this is like the version that I like, I'm going to click right up here, the download. And once you hit download, you can save it into your desktop, and you can just let's label it like Guadalupe's 15 or something, and add the text in later, assuming that this is like that was the final version. But that's how you would save it. I'm going to scroll down. This is still working on it. And then so yeah, so it's fast when it's like less complicated designs, but I mean it's either you sitting down, spending the time doing it or having this attempt it. But I would say a good like 75% of the time it does get it like right away. So there we go. All right, so that kind of looks like a 4x6, right? So let's do this. Let's convert this into a landscape 4x6 just to show you. But that's the whole concept. And then after this, we're going to have it create into a landscape uh, welcome screen with a button, start button. And if you want to get even more, like my screen size is 1920 by 1080. Oops. So you can get very particular with like pixels and the sizes, which is always great. So let's see here. This should be done. There we go. So there's our 4x6. Looks great. It'll also tell you like other things, if you want to turn it to the 4x6 the other way, you can do that too. Look at export as a transparent PNG. This is perfect for look at all of these programs. And then now let's convert this into a landscape screen. So there you guys already learned how to make a 2x6. You learned how to make a 4x6, and you're having it make a welcome screen, which is great. After this is done, we're going to have it create a 1 through 4 instruction. And normally I'll print these out and I'll put it in a nice cute frame. So that way it just looks like so custom. And a lot of people go for that. Like they look at the little details that you do extra. And all it takes is another couple minutes just to make it here on ChatGPT. But it's like what they say, work smarter, not harder. So if it's going to make one less thing a little easier for me, I would say do it. So this looks great. This, like, I would have not been able to make that in that amount of time. So that's perfect. And I'll just upload that to my Luma booth, add my button there, and I'm done. So now we're going to do create a instruction um, for photo booth, or you could do like create a photo booth sign and, all of that. So it'll also create so there it's kind of showing you. So you're going to do use design concept to create image. So it'll grab all the content from the image, as well as all of this, and then create that. So that's four things that you guys learned today. This looks great. So this looks fantastic. And this is what I mean. It's like you don't have to buy templates anymore. You don't have to make them anymore. Yeah, you have to spend how long is this video? That amount of time to figure it out. And once you learn it once, it's just the same thing, repetition over and over. And as we learn more and more ways to, alter designs, we're going to come on here and show you. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment on here. That way it lets us know like, hey, this is the kind of content that you like. But my main goal here is just to make sure that you understand another way to make your time a little more efficient, especially for those people that don't have the time to be doing this type of stuff, and you have your kids and your daily lives. So here we go. Here's our instruction list. This looks great. I love it. I could print that out, put it in a frame, put it there. I can set up and take off. There's no reason why anybody would, everybody knows what to do. Awesome. So there you guys go. I hope you guys got something out of this. Again, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel. And if you haven't signed up for our school, please do. It is free for the first 25 people. We were thinking about moving it to the next 50 people. So for the next 50 people, it's going to be free. After that, we are going to be charging. So make sure you guys sign up and you guys will have lifetime membership access as well as all the content that is included into this. So thanks guys for watching and we'll see you guys in the next video.